This is a video on how to do the cable hip airplane. The setup looks very weird, but it's the best way I've found to work the medius part of your glute, this kind of deep side glute, compared to hip kicks. Setup's a little funky, but you also get an added benefit of an IT band stretch and even a stretch and stability through your foot and ankle. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the cable, put it all the way down, and have this type of attachment. You're going to grab it behind your back. So if I'm gonna work my left leg, then I'm gonna grab it with my left arm. You're gonna stand next to the cable, have your right hand on the bar for support. From there, you're gonna hinge back like if you were doing a single leg RDL. You don't have to be as far back, but you just wanna get a good hinge. From there, you're gonna try to point your belly button towards your leg. And so the weight of the cable is actually gonna pull you deeper, and you're gonna get a stretch through the side glute. From there, you're gonna then point your belly button towards the cable in the same way you would doing a hip airplane. Again, using the bar for support. Controlling this way down, trying to get the deepest stretch you can, and then exploding up. A couple key notes. We want to keep this leg as stable as possible, so we're not bending a lot, we're not rotating at the ankle and the foot there. My knee just cracked, don't do that. Keep everything nice and stable, and just move from the torso. We're basically rotating on the femur bone here through the hip.